Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about working with paint. That is lesson number 4, working with paint. As you have read, the MS Paint is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. You know, paint whenever you are using, you can make them different colors, make them different style. Okay, according to your requirement, you can use it using select tool. So whenever you are using the paint, different tools are there, you should know about or you should aware about it. Then you see, using select tool, what is the select tool function? The select tool is used to select any part of the pictures that we want to change it. select tool का काम क्या है? कोई भी पिक्चर्स को, कोई भी आइटम को सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, दैट इज द यूज ऑफ select tool. Any part of the pictures you can say. Draw the face of the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure number 4.1. Okay, so suppose if you want to click on the rectangular selection tool to select the object, place mouse pointer just outside the area of the part to be selected. So in this way you can use the select tool as well as the rectangular selection tool. Next, using freeform selection tool. Freeform selection tool means what? The freeform selection tool is used to select any irregularity shaped part of the pictures. You can even drag the selected portion and place it the another location. Means from you have to click on particular section and click on that particular portion and you have to drag it. Okay, drag it means automatically the portion will be removed from one place to another location. Okay, select the object nose of the Mickey Mouse. Suppose nose को तुम move करना है by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Next, moving an object. Moving an object means what? Moving an object means you can move your object from one place to another. Draw the pictures of a car in a new file and save it with your name car. Okay, so draw the picture of a car, कोई भी पिक्चर कार का पिक्चर इन ए न्यू फाइल में ड्रॉ करना एंड सेव इट विद द नेम कार. कार का नाम में हिसाब से तुम्हें फाइल का नाम चेंज करना है. नाउ सिलेक्ट द ड्राइंग of any part of the drawing with the help of select tool. So just now I explained about the select tool, so accordingly you can use it. Now you see, a rectangular with dashed lines will appear around the pictures as shown in the figure number 4.3. okay, so once you have done this, the car picture automatically will appear around the picture as shown in the figure number 4.3, that is moving an object. Click on cut option. cut option जाके click करना in the clipboard group of the home tab. home tab में cut option है, you have to click on that. Observe that selected picture will be removed from the screen. the cut option तुम use करोगे, तुम्हारा screen में ये portion, selected portion remove हो जाएगा. Then using paste option. What is the paste option? You know, I think you are aware about it. Cut and paste, copy and paste. Okay, similarly click on the paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. So wherever you have to or wherever you want to paste your picture or drawing, you can just paste it automatically. Same thing what you cut, same thing you will get it. Clear? That is the paste option, you can say, using the paste command. So I said that is using the paste command you will get the same picture again. Copying an object. Copying means suppose same thing if you want to copy or same thing you want to draw 3 times or 2 times, so no need to draw again and again. You just using copy command and automatically same thing it will be twice, thrice, more than that. Clear? Let's see, copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing using the select tool. Select tool यूज़ करके अपना ड्राइंग को कॉपी करना, एंड कॉपी कमांड यूज़ करना ऑन द होम टैब, एंड पेस्ट कमांड यूज़ करना ऑन द क्लिपबोर्ड ग्रुप. ओके, सो कॉपी, once you have to copy of particular picture, automatically paste command you have to use it, then same picture will be drawn. Drawing different shapes. Suppose whenever you are using MS Paint, और तुम जो भी डिफरेंट ड्राइंग कर रहे हो, कभी कभी अलग अलग शेप्स का ज़रूरत होता है. ओके, फॉर दैट द शेप्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. यू कैन ड्रॉ डिफरेंट शेप्स इन पेंट. द रेडीमेड शेप्स आर अवेलेबल इन द शेप्स ग्रुप ऑन द रिबन. तो रिबन में तुम्हारा शेप्स एक बटन है, यू हैव टू गो फॉर दैट. Automatically different shapes will come. Then how can you see? Hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse. You can change the size of the ready made shapes as per your need. तुम्हारा जैसे ज़रूरत हो उसके हिसाब से कोई भी shapes को तुम सिलेक्ट भी कर सकते हो. Click on the outline option and change the outline style. Okay, outline style. If outline is not required, select no outline in the outline option. तुम्हें outline कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है वो shapes का, then not required to use it. So in this way you can change the shape size also, and you can change the color also. Okay, then flipping the pictures. Flipping the picture means, you see, flip means to rotate or turn द सिलेक्टेड पिक्चर हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली. कोई भी पिक्चर्स को तुम्हें हॉरिजॉन्टली भी रख सकते हो या वर्टिकली भी रख सकते हो. दैट इट इज कॉल्ड फ्लिपिंग. ओके, क्लिक ऑन द सिलेक्ट टूल एंड सिलेक्ट द पिक्चर. पिक्चर को पहले सिलेक्ट करना, रोटेट ऑप्शन जाके यू हैव टू चेंज योर इमेज. ओके, वेरी सिंपल स्टेप्स, यू कैन यूज इट. Coming to the zooming the picture. Zooming is nothing but you can enlarge your picture or figure. कोई भी पिक्चर तुम्हें छोटा लग रहा है और उसको बड़ा करना है, no need to draw it again. What you have to zoom it. Zooming your image, you have to enlarge it. So how to use enlarge? Click on zoom in option present on the view tab. View tab जाके zoom option को click करना. To increase the view size, whatever your requirement, you can increase your figure size also. Click on the zoom out option to decrease the view size. मतलब एक बार तुम zoom in किया, then your figure will be large. Whenever you are zoom out, automatically your figure is going to the original size. Okay, and if you are click on the zoom to 100%, then figure will be the extreme large. After that there is no more zoom option. Okay, so you can also increase or decrease the view size of pictures through the magnifier tool in the home tab. Magnifier tool, it is located in the home tab. You can use it so that your figure is also going to enlarge. Click on to decrease the zoom level and to increase the zoom level on the zoom slider bar on the status bar. Status bar में भी अपना zoom slider है, you can do that also. Okay, in this way you can use it, then automatically you can able to understand. I hope you clear about this.